Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm great, and you?
Oh, I'm also great. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Can I ask you some question?
Yes,
Okay, what's your name?
it's me, Sarah.
Okay. Can you spell your name?
Yes, I can. It's KANIZFATEMASARA.
Good. How can I call you?
You can call me Sarah.
Okay. What class are you in?
I'm in class 4.
Good. What's your school's name?
My school's name is Cox's Bazar International School.
What's your favorite poet?
My favorite poet is Kazi Nazrul Islam.
Okay. What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is Ludo.
When does your school start?
My school starts at 10 a.m.
Okay. When does your school break up?
My school breaks up at 2 p.m.
What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh.
What's your future plan?
In future, I wanna be a doctor.
Good, very good.